How to highlight text in Microsoft Word and change the highlight color. First, select the text you want to highlight. Then, go to the Home tab and find the Font section. Click the Text Highlight Color button and choose your preferred color. The selected text will immediately be highlighted. You can also highlight text using the Mini toolbar. After selecting your text, a pop-up menu will appear. Click the arrow next to Text Highlight Color and choose a color. If you need to highlight multiple parts of a Word document, there's an even faster method. Go to the Home tab. Select your highlight color, and then click and drag over the different sections of text you want to highlight. Word will keep the highlighter active, allowing you to highlight multiple areas without selecting the color each time. When you're finished, simply press the Escape key to exit highlight mode. That's how you can quickly highlight text and multiple sections of a document in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.